can hear you. Good evening.
Good evening. Yes, good evening, viewers all over
So,
the world watching.
may you kindly introduce yourself, Bola?
Yes, I'm actually into so many things. Uh, I'm into tourism. I'm into security sector, and also into analysis of sports. But recently, God revealed to me that things in Nigeria is going to take a drastic turn, a drastic change. He revealed this to me about 2, 3 days ago, and today is the third day, remaining 4 days. He told me exactly 7 days. That there will be a drastic change in Nigeria, especially in the political system of the country. I announced it on various fora, on various platforms, on the radio, on the television, and I'm also letting people in this your platform. I'm also informing them that there's going to be a drastic change in Nigeria very soon. And the past election that was done was a election, that was kind of rigged. God showed me, I saw it clearly that Atiku won that election, but it was, maneuvered and manipulated. So, and God has seen the suffering of Nigerians. He has seen the suffering of the masses, and it's about to take a drastic change. This is not the first time God reveals things to me, even in sports, even to the government. I also call them and tell them when those revelations come. And
Okay,
sometimes
Bola.
when I tell them, they take me for a ride. They take it as a joke, and before you know it, the thing will just take place.
Okay,
I
so
don't
Bola,
have a church. I'm not
Bola,
a pastor. Yes.
so what you're saying is when you talk about 4 days, you mean Friday this week, Friday the 30th.
Yes. Yes. There's going
Now,
to be a drastic change.
in
In
the
fact, the
you
ones they
said,
are
hold on,
coming, they
hold
are
on.
going. Yeah.
You said the drastic change you are alluding to, that is going to be more political than economic.
Yes, it's going to be more of political than economy.
Okay, and do we I don't know, these visions or revelations wasn't given to us. Obviously, pardon me if I tend to ask more questions regarding this revelation. So
Yeah.
this revelation was given to you, did you say when that was last week?
Just about, let's say, about 3 days ago. Now, today is
Okay.
the fourth day. Yes. And immediately it was given to me. I announced it on various platforms, especially those ones that know me. I relayed it to them because it's not for my own personal consumption. And the message was given that 7 days, that there's going to be a great turnaround in the country. Today is the third day. It remains 4 days from today.
Okay. So Bola, you are telling us from Rwanda that Nigeria by Friday, I might not be a man of great prophecy or believer of prophecy, but I want to be, I want to, obviously, let's see. So what you're
Okay,
saying.
let me give you the vision God gave to me before.
Sorry, go ahead. Anyway, thank you very much for joining me.
Should be a colonel. And I went on Nigeria Info. I announced it that the highest rank in Nigeria should be colonel. And all those monies used to pay generals and all the manipulations, the money that has been eaten left, right, and center, and they say they are buying this and buying that. That God revealed to me that the highest rank should be colonel that any rank from that all should be dissolved and retired. I went to the radio, I announced it, and nobody listened to me. Before you know it, they say coronavirus catch all the whole generals and they are sick. Because that is what God revealed to me, that the highest rank in Nigeria Army should be colonel. Yeah, and that new recruits, young boys should be recruited.
If God told you that the highest rank should be colonel, and we have generals everywhere, so does it mean that the prophecy is not coming true, or that you didn't hear properly? I mean,
no, the revelation made to me is not for my personal consumption, and I am not the one that is in charge of employment of people in the army. The revelation was given to me that to win this war, this battle, number one, it also has some spiritual connotation in it as well. So that spiritual aspect of it, God is taking care of it. But he said that the highest rank should be colonel, and the other people should be retired. Let the younger people, more younger people be recruited into the force. I even also, exclaimed that, at least maybe 1/3 of the population of Nigeria, should be in the force. Not only army, navy, custom, immigration, and they should also recruit some special force also to tackle this situation. Younger people should be, recruited. I explained all this on the radio, Nigeria Info in Abuja. I am Lady Sunshine. I normally call into Nigeria Info. I advise the government that this is what they should do, but they didn't take the information.
May I ask for clarity? You said you have a direct telephone line of the president.
Yes. I remember that was when he was in Defense House. I called the president directly on his MTN line. On his MTN line.
You mean when the president was in defense line? Defense.
Yes.
That's a long time ago.
Before he moved to Aso Rock. He was in Defense House for a long time before he moved to Aso Rock. That is in his first tenure. He was in the Defense House. That was when I called him. Most time when they move into the villa, sometimes their regular number can be changed and a new number will be given to them. Every president is done like that. I got that information through another aide of former president Jonathan, that normally when presidents come in, they change their line. Okay. I still have that number up till now with me. It's an MTN number.
Thank you very much, Bola. I think the message is heard really live and direct. We appreciate your time, and thank you very much for being part of this program. Thank you.